mostly self-taught. I went to college for it as well. My issue was that things were changing so goddamn quick.
Mhm.
You'd learn something and it's obsolete in a year or two. There's a new thing that's replaced it. I'm like, I can't keep up with these costs. This is too much.
Very, which part are you
Too
confused
expensive.
about? I can help.
It's too expensive.
uh, I know it says work
So,
into chain one, work into the chain spaces. That's what it wants you to do. Mm. Do you have a specific row? It's a free pattern, so I feel fine about talking it.
oh yeah, sure, sure. You can always show free pattern. You're fine. 100%.
Yeah, it says chain one, work in chain one. Also, when it has the skip one double crochet, chain two, and two double crochet, what it means is here's the one double crochet, then there's the chain two, then you need to skip another one here. It's written in an interesting way. The front post was confusing. Oh yeah, the front. I suck at front and back post double crochets, or just front and back post crochet. I just wing it and hope for the best.
I love that. Placarati, same obsolete before you even graduate. Yeah, that was the issue. I'm like, I'm not paying for school that I just paid for that's obsolete, and there's new hotness out on the market to deal with, and new certification. I can't keep up with that. That's
That's the
crazy.
thing I don't
Like,
like. It's so weird. I'm very privileged because I live in Finland. We
mm.
do not pay for university.
Oh,
We do
God, the
not
dream.
have scholarships that we have to pay or anything like that.
Mm-hmm.
We pay for the membership of the student union, and that's €100 a year, if that.
Wow,
So
that's
it's mind
great.
baffling that in parts of the world you actually have to pay for their education.
You're enslaved by debt. Like, oh my
Yeah.
God.
Like, yes, I do have student loans, but that's meant for living in Finland,
Mm,
which is another issue.
mm. What I'm hearing is I need to move to Europe. Yeah, exactly.
Hi,
I
Ceslen.
mean,
I'm glad you're enjoying it. I've had a blast.
hmm.
I'm always iffy
Aw,
about
thank
doing
you for being
collabs.
here. Thank
Collabs.
you for, we
Finish is
appreciate
pushing through.
everyone. We
But
appreciate y'all being here. Hell
yes,
yeah.
but I've loved every second of today.
Hell yeah, it's been a blast. And I just finished the instructions. The model's
Hell
done.
yeah.
Everything's there. All the order, everything checks out, easy to follow. And all I got to do is get the actual parts list now. $11.44, 128 pieces, and 61 of them are unique. So,
Wow.
including the newest yarn ball that's not even like a month or two old.
That's so
So,
cool, though.
that's a new piece. That's hot off the press. Hot off the press.
100% wing it every time, right? I'm
Yeah,
almost done with
I
this
like that
row,
attitude. I like that.
so we can
Hell
wrap it
yeah.
up after that.
I'm just getting the actual notepad file for this XML file, which will make sense when we connect on this. Like, what?
Yeah, just like Notepad, XML. Okay. I know
Just tell
Notepad.
me what to do.
Yep.
Okay. And we are done. That parts list is out there. Okay, cool. And I can cue the render because that's just gonna
Hell yeah.
she's gonna run. Oh,
Can
what
we
I
get?
could do rather than waiting
Mhm.
for the full spin, I could render a high quality version of this is the on-screen digital, so obviously like it
Mhm.
doesn't look like Lego, but the one on the Pinterest that you showed earlier with all the models, I'm gonna get you one of those renders because those
Hell
are just
yeah.
like it looks like actual Lego pieces.
Mhm.
Like you can tell right away. And then I gotta shift all this up a bit. 8. About that. Yeah, that's good. Let's render this bad boy.
Holy
Cleanse
shit,
frontal
Placarati.
piece.
Congrats.
Paid off student loans from 2001 last year. Let's go,
I'm only
girl.
starting paying off the student loans and I am crying.
Mm-hmm.
I have
The
30K worth
journey.
of loans, and that's nothing compared to the amounts you guys have to pay.
It's for sure. I feel that.
But that is nice. But now I get to do what I love. I love education.
Mm-hmm.
I love language. I know
Big love to our educators, man.
I'm supposed to know this language, but
That's a
wow.
mood.
Wow.
It's like I barely speak half my language. I mean, what? Hmm.